Good morning and welcome to Travels with Sheila. A few shout outs to begin with. Hi Jules, Barbara, Nellie, and Tracy. We have a really big trip planned today. Today is December 6th and we are leaving the Chicago area for 34 days. Let me tell you about the cruises first. We are doing back-to-back cruises. First cruise is Viking, begins in Bali, heads through Lombok, Komodo Islands, and over the top of Australia. We did an Oceania cruise years ago that went along the west coast and south coast. Great, that was a really, really interesting cruise. Well, this one ends then in Sydney. Then we will spend one night in Sydney and the next day fly to Christchurch, New Zealand, where we are going to board a Windstar cruise that is strictly New Zealand. We've never sailed with Windstar before and we may never sail with them again depending upon what answer I get from them. A week and a half before we're supposed to leave today, I just happened to go on Windstar to look at future cruises and saw they reduced the price on our cabin, on our cruise, $3,000 a person. $6,000. You know, you're not talking about, oh, a cruise is reduced for $100 or something like that. I have inquiries in to the CEO of Windstar, and let's see what happens. Obviously, if they don't do anything for customer goodwill or give us a credit on a future cruise, we will obviously never sail on Windstar again. So keep posted. I will let you know if I hear anything at all, and you will hear about this story. There's always a new story. There's a million stories in the Naked City, and this is just one of them. Now let's talk about the air. It has been 2 to 3 years since Steve and I have taken long haul trips like this. We're flying United all the way in both directions. We're flying Chicago to San Francisco, which is over 4 hours in the air. Then we're flying to Singapore, which is another almost 18 hours. Then we have a long layover at the Singapore Changi Airport before we fly to Denpasar, Bali, which is another 2+ hours. I don't even want to add up. On the return, we'll fly from Auckland to San Francisco to Chicago. We're in business class both directions. I turned in 150,000 miles in each direction for free air. Been there, done it in coach for all those hours and don't want to do it anymore. As far as the equipment, I think to San Francisco it's a 777. Haven't been on one of those in a long time. Then a Dreamliner, then it may be another Dreamliner and Singapore Air, and I can't even think about what it's going to be on the way home. It's going to be a wonderful trip. I don't have to cook for 34 days. Yay! And we've been to some of the spots before, but it's always great to revisit. Even though this is going to be after the fact, you will not see the videos until we come home because I do not like editing and working on videos while we're on vacation. I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday, Christmas, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah, whatever you celebrated, and wishing everyone a very happy, healthy 2023. Thanks for all your views. Please keep those comments coming, and see you at O'Hare. Ta-ta.